Good morning, children. Welcomes you all in today's online lesson organized by Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Today we learned about scholarship. In that we learned mathematics subject and we see perimeter. Okay. Myself Avinash Gavanji Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kalakilla. Here the today's topic that is perimeter. Okay. We already learnt about perimeter and area in previous lessons. Okay. So students, can you tell me what is the perimeter? Yes, children. What do you mean by perimeter? Okay, now name the given figures. What is this?
Circle.
Circle.
Circle. Very good. And this one?
Square.
Square.
Square. And this one?
Rectangle.
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 And this one?
Triangle.
Okay.
Triangle.
Okay. Now tell me, if you want to find out the perimeter of square, then how to find out the perimeter of square? We already learned it. If the one side of a square is 4 centimeter, okay, then what is the perimeter of the square? Can you tell me?
2.
Yes. How to find out the perimeter of 2? How? See, all the sides of square are equal.
4 equal. 4.
So how to find out the perimeter of square?
In
Do
multiply.
addition.
Not. By adding all sides, we get the perimeter of that figure. So what do you mean by perimeter? Okay, we will see it.
60.
Here, P stands for perimeter. Okay, so this one is figure. If we want to find out the perimeter of this figure, then what is the perimeter? See, the sum of all lengths of given figure. Okay, so these are the lengths of figure. That is A, B, C, D. So perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. See here, very easy. If A is 2 centimeter, B is 4 centimeter, and C is 3 centimeter, and D is 5 centimeter. By adding all these sides, we will get perimeter of that figure. See here, what is perimeter? Children, read the definition.
The perimeter is the distance all the
Perimeter
way
is the
around
distance
outside
all
of
the
a
way around the outside of a 2D shape.
2D shape. Okay, the perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of 2D shape. Okay, see here, the shape is given, means perimeter means the sum of all lengths of boundaries. Okay, see here, the rows are shown here. By adding all of this side, we will get the perimeter of this figure. Okay, now find out the perimeter of given figures. First one is rectangle or square. See, what is it?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal.
23.
23. Okay, we will see. This one is 9, then this one is also 9, and this is 3. 9 plus 9,
24.
9 plus 9,
18.
18.
18.
18 plus 6, 24 centimeter.
6.
Very good. 24 is right answer. Now, come to the second figure. That is 6 inch and 4 inch. This is also a rectangle. Okay, now what is the perimeter of this figure? Yes.
20.
6 plus 6 is 12 and 4 plus
20.
4, 8. 12 plus 8 is very good. 20 is right answer. Okay, now see the figure third one.
28.
7 feet and 7 feet. This is square. Is
Sir,
it
28.
square? 28. Very good. 28 feet. And this one, fourth one is 10 meter and 4 meter. Here length is 10 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So what is the perimeter? 10 plus 10, 20. And 4 plus 4 is 8. 20 plus 8 is 28
28.
meter. Good. Okay. Here, these are the formulas to find out the perimeter of rectangle, square and triangle. Okay. Read the first one.
Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth.
Yes. And second one.
Perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by length of one side.
And the third one. Perimeter of
Perimeter
triangle.
of triangle is equal to sum of all side.
Okay. Because see, in the first one, perimeter of rectangle, because in rectangle opposite sides are equal, so we can write it as 2 into L plus 2 into
Breadth.
breadth. And now perimeter of square. In square all the sides are equal. Okay, so we can write it as 4 into S. And perimeter of triangle, triangle having how many sides in triangle?
3.
3 sides. So by adding this, by adding the length of all 3 sides, we will get the perimeter of given triangle. Now we will see some examples on perimeter. Okay, read the question number 1.
The length of a rectangle is 5 centimeter and its breadth is 3.5 centimeter. Find its perimeter.
Okay, the length of a rectangle is 5 centimeter and its breadth is 3.5 centimeter. Then find out its perimeter. Okay, can you tell me the answer? Length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3.5. Okay. Now tell me the formula for find out the perimeter of rectangle. P is equal to, what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus 2 into
Breadth.
breadth. Okay. 2 into L. L, what is the length of rectangle? The length is given. See, read the line first one. The length of a rectangle is 5 centimeters. So we will multiply 5 by 2 and the breadth given is, what is the breadth given?
3.5.
3.5. Okay. 2 into 3.5. 2 into 5 is
10.
10. And 2 into 3.5 is 3.5 plus 3.5. 7. Okay. 10 plus 7 is 17
17.
centimeters. So which one is the correct answer?
Fourth.
Fourth. Good. See here, illustration is given. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 3.5. So the perimeter of rectangle is 10 plus 7, that is 17 centimeter. So you must by heart the formula that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, and perimeter of square is, yes student, tell me the formula for perimeter of square. perimeter is equal to 4 into given side. Okay. Now read the question number 2.
Find the perimeter of the given figure with each side of square as 3 centimeter.
Okay. See, all the sides are 3 centimeter only. Okay. So find out the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter means the sum of length of boundary
Answer,
lines of given figure. Yes,
answer is 36.
36. Okay, we will see 3 plus 3 plus 3 9. 9 9 18 36. Okay, by adding all these sides we will get the answer, that is 36. Very good. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. Very good. See, a illustration is given. All sides are 3 centimeter. Then the perimeter is 36 centimeter. Very good. Now read the question number 3.
The perimeter of rectangle with all sides is 24 centimeter. Find the length of each side in centimeter.
The perimeter of a triangle with all sides is 24 centimeter. Then find out the length of each side in centimeter. So here the perimeter is given. Okay, so it must be a, see, the all sides of the triangle must be equal. So here perimeter of this
24
rectangle is 24 centimeters. So how many
72
sides?
centimeter answer.
Yes.
72 centimeter answer.
See, the perimeter is given and we have to find out the length of side. Okay. So there are 3 sides in triangle. By dividing the perimeter by side, we will get the length of one side. So 24 divided by 3 is 8 threes are
24.
24. So the length of each side in centimeter is 8 centimeters. So read the first line. The perimeter of triangle with all side is 24 centimeters. So here the perimeter is given and we have to find out the length of one side or each side. Okay, so we have to multiply the perimeter by length of side. So we will get 8 centimeters. So the fourth one is correct. Okay. Now read the question number 4.
The length of one side of a rectangle is 6 centimeter. Remaining two sides are of same length. If perimeter of rectangle is 14 centimeter, then find the length of equal sides.
Okay, see, it is not rectangle, it is triangle. Okay, the length of one side of a triangle is 6 centimeter. Remaining two sides are of same length. If perimeter of triangle is 14 centimeter, then find out the length of equal sides. See here, this is triangle and one side is given, that is 6 centimeter, and the other two sides are equal to each other. Means if the length of one side is 4 centimeter, then other must be 4 centimeters. See, given it is remaining two sides are of same length, means the length of the other two sides are equal. If perimeter of triangle is 14 centimeter, then find out the length of equal sides. So here P given is 14 centimeter. So what we have to do to find out the length of other sides? Perimeter of rectangle. Okay, if it is A and this one is B and this one is C side. So C is already given, that is 6 centimeter. So perimeter of that triangle is A plus B plus C. But A plus B is equal and C is already given, that is 6. And A and B are equal, so we can write it as, it is perimeter is 14 already. So 14 minus 6 is 8 centimeters. So the 8 centimeter divided by 2, because this is the length of other two sides, that is, so 8 divided by 2 is 4 centimeter. So which one is the correct option? 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 14 centimeter, or 4 centimeter? The fourth one is right answer. Good. See here, illustration is given, that is perimeter is 14 centimeters. So the sum of all lengths of equal sides is 14 minus 6, that is 8. So the both sides are equal and sum of its length is 8 centimeters. So each side will be 4 centimeter. So the fourth one is correct. Okay. Here question number 5. Find the perimeter of a square having side 17 centimeter. So this is square. In square all sides are equal. The given side is 17 centimeters. So what is the perimeter of this figure or this square? Yes, student. If the given side is 17 centimeter, so what is the perimeter of this square? What we have to do? We know the formula for perimeter of square is P is equal to 4 into length of one side, and here the length given is 17 centimeters. So 4 into 17. 4 into 17 is, yes, do the multiplication. 17 multiplied by 4.
78.
78 or 68? It is 68 centimeters. So the perimeter of this square is 68 centimeter. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 73s are 51, and 17 fours are 68. So the perimeter of the square is 68 centimeters. So third option is right. Okay, now find the perimeter of given figure. It is very easy. What we have to do in this sum? Yes, student? We have to add the all sides. Do the addition.
3
6.5
10
plus 3.4 plus 1.5 plus 2.3 plus 1.2. Okay. So 5 plus 4. 5 plus
9
4, 9. 9 plus 5. 14. 14 plus 3. 17. 17 plus 2. 19. And 1 is here. 1 plus 6.
149.
Yes.
14.9.
14.9. Okay, we will see. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 4, 13 plus 1 is 14. So 14.9. Very good. Second one is correct answer. Good. So the perimeter of this figure is 14.9 units. See, yes, perimeter is equal to sum of all lengths of the side. So by adding all lengths, we will get 14.9. So the second one is correct answer. Okay, now read the question number 7. Yes, read this one.
If the length and breadth of a rectangle is 13 and 7 respectively, then find the perimeter.
Okay, so here length and breadth is given. So how to find out the perimeter of rectangle? We know the formula. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Here, the length given is, what is L here? Length is 13 centimeter and breadth given is 7 centimeter. Okay. 13 to the 26, 7 to the 14. 26 plus 14 is 40. Okay, so which one is the correct
40.
option? Yes, which one is the correct option?
3. 3.
3. Very good. See here, that is perimeter is easily we can find out that is perimeter is 13 plus 7, 13 plus 7. And second one is we can apply the formula, that is 2 into in bracket length into breadth, that is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So 40 is correct answer. Now read the question number 8.
The perimeter of a rectangle is 36 centimeter. What is length of rectangle if its breadth is 6?
Okay, the perimeter of rectangle is given, that is 36 centimeter. So here P is equal to 36 centimeter. And here breadth is given and length of rectangle is not given. We have to find out the length. So here B given is B is equal to 6 centimeter. So P means perimeter is 36. Okay. So P is equal to 2 into L, that is, we can write it as L plus L plus B plus B. So here P is already given, that is 36. L we have to find out. We can write it as 2L, and B is, that is 6 plus 6 is 12. So 36 minus 12 is equal to 2L. Because there are two lengths or two sides. So 36
Yes.
minus 36 minus 12 is 36 minus
24.
24.
24.
Okay, so the length of rectangle is 24, but it is 2L. 2L means we have to divide 24 by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is
12.
12. So what is the length of rectangle?
12.
12 centimeters. So which one is the correct option?
3. नाही
Good.
नाही झाला.
See here, the illustration is given. If perimeter is 36 centimeters, so sum of breadth is 6 plus 6, that is 12. So sum of length is 36 minus 12, that is we get 24. So length is 24 divided by 2. We get 12 centimeter. So the length of given rectangle is 12 centimeter. Good. Okay. Question number 9. The sides of a triangular garden are 52.3 meter, 17.6 meter, and 32.4 meter. So what is the total length of wire if it is to be fenced with 2 rounds of wire? Okay. So there is a triangular garden. See, if it is triangular garden, so first side is 52.3 meter. This one is 17.6 meter, and third one is 32.4 meters. So given what is the total length of wire if it is to be fenced. So if we want to fence it, okay, with 2 rounds. Fence means we have to fence it with 2 rounds. So how many wires we have to required? So how to find out the total length of wire? By finding out the perimeter. Okay, so what is the perimeter of this triangle? By adding all sides, so we will get the perimeter of this triangle. So we will add it 52.3 plus 32.4 plus 17.6. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 1, 2 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1 is
10.
10. So
10.
it is, so the perimeter of this triangle is 102.3 meter. But
3 meter.
we
Here is
have,
not option.
yes, see here, what is the total length of wire if it is to be fenced with 2 rounds? We have
Yes.
to fence it with 2 rounds. So we must multiply 102.3 meter by 2 because we, so 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 2 is
4.
4. 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 1 is,
2.
so see here the answer is 204.6. So which one is the correct option?
4.
4. Good. So see here illustration is perimeter of triangular garden is 52.3 plus 17.6 plus 32.4, that is 102.3. So the length of 2 round is 102.3 into 2, that is 204.6. Okay, now question number 10. Joseph walks 10 rounds along a square garden ground of side 110.5 meter. Then how much distance he walks? Okay, Joseph walks 10 rounds along a square garden of, so here he walks a square ground, okay, with the side 110.5. So one side is 105, and he daily walks 10 rounds. So how much distance he walk? We have to find out. So what we have to do to find the total distance? Yes, first of all, we have to find out the perimeter of this square ground. So perimeter of square is P is equal to 4 into S. So here S given is 110.5. 4 5s are 20.
20.
4 1s are 4.
4.
That is 442 meter. But he walks 10 rounds, so we have to multiply it by 10. So we get the total distance, that is 440,
4.
sorry,
4,420.
4,420 meter. So which one is the correct option?
Second.
Second. So he walks 1420 meter. See a perimeter of square, then we have to multiply it by 10. Okay, now question number 11. A square pillow is to be covered by a lace at the border. Okay, there is a pillow that is in square shape. The length of side of pillow is 30 centimeter. So to cover 4 pillows, how much lace will be required? Okay, so there is a pillow that has square shape and the side given is 30 centimeter. So how much lace will be required to cover the one pillow? To find out the length of lace,
120.
120 for one pillow or 4 pillow?
One pillow.
One pillow. So we have to find out the lace for 4 pillows. So what we have to do?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So the perimeter of one pillow is 120. If we multiply it by 4, then we will get the total length of lace.
480.
Yes, that is 480 centimeter. Yes, is it correct?
Yes.
So 480 centimeter lace will be required. Good. See here, the first one is correct option. Okay, now some problems for you. I will read the question and you have to give me the answer. What is the perimeter of square having side 27 centimeter? Okay, here the side of square is given, that is 24 centimeter. So find out the perimeter of the square. In square, all sides are equal, means the length of all side is 27 only. So what is its perimeter? Yes, tell me the answer. By multiplying 27 into 4. Or we can easily write it as 27 plus 27.
108.
Yes.
Answer is 108.
Where is 108? Yes, yes. The answer, correct answer is 108. But here we don't have 108. The given options are incorrect. Good. The answer is 108
8.
centimeter. Very good. These options are incorrect. Very good. Okay. Find the perimeter of rectangle having length 16 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Okay. We have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. So this is 5 centimeter and length is 16 centimeter. This is also
42 centimeter.
42 centimeter. Okay, so which option is right?
4th.
Fourth one. Very good. By adding all sides, okay, or we can apply formula, that is 2L plus 2B, 2 into 16 plus 2 into 5. 2 into 16 is 32 plus 10. So we will get 42 centimeter. Very good. Okay, find the perimeter of given closed figure. Which side of length is 6 centimeter? So all the sides are 6 centimeter only. So what is the perimeter of this figure? First of all, count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 sides and all sides are equal. Then
72
length
centimeter.
of side is 6 centimeters. So
72.
72 centimeter. Okay. Easily we will multiply 12 by 6 to find out that is perimeter 72 centimeters. So the third option is very right. Very good. Okay. The question number 4. The length and breadth of rectangular garden is 45 meter and 15 meter. So what is the perimeter of that garden? Here the length and breadth is given. So what is the perimeter of this rectangular garden? Length is 45 meter. Yes.
120 meter.
120 meter. Okay, we will see 45, 45, 90 plus 15, 15, 30. So 90 plus 30 is 120 meter. Okay, very good. Third one is right option. We can easily apply it. 1/2 2 into L plus 2 into D. Here length given is 45 and breadth given is 15. So 40, this is 90 plus 30. That is 120 meter. Very good. Okay, this is the last term. The perimeter of triangle having two sides equal is 48 centimeter. If the length of each side is 18 centimeter, then what is the length of third side? See here, the perimeter is given. It here two sides are equal.
12 centimeter.
Okay, we will see, and perimeter given is 48. So length of all three sides. This side is 36 plus the remaining side. Okay, we will write it as S. So S is equal to 48 minus 36. 48 minus 36 is
12.
12. Okay, your answer is right. Very good. Okay, this one for your homework. Take a screenshot. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.